Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Shanti ji, Surya ji. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Malini, Surya, Sanjana, Vaishnavi. Welcome to my session.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning. I am Sarika, your coach for today. I would just quickly, if you can tell me those who are already into fitness. I know about Surya, Shanti and Maya ji. The rest, those who are meeting me for the first time.
What would you like to know?
Just that if you have been into fitness already, are you continuing or this is your few sessions which you have attended?
I know, so I've done fitness before. I do yoga regularly. I have my HIIT class weekly. I've done
Great.
25, so.
All right, then you can, if you have dumbbells, please feel free to use them.
Okay, sure, yeah, I have them, yeah.
Sanjana? Yeah, all right. Already you are on mute. Just a quick thing about you.
I joined you last week. Yeah.
Oh, okay, right. Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Yeah. Vaishnavi. No problem, Vaishnavi. We'll take care of it. You will be given modifications. Please switch on your cameras so that I can see you and guide you better. All right. Surya, please switch on your cameras. Hi, Vaishnavi. Good morning. Let's get started with some squat jogs. Let's go. Start. Let's start with squat jogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Shoulder rotations. Take your arms up and full rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other way around. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alternate arms. Let's extend it up. 1, 2, full extension. Warm up, very, very necessary before starting your main workout. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Torso rotation. Keep your arms behind your head. Rotate to the side. Come back. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9 and 10. One arm over your waist, one over your head, reach out to the side, come up. 2, extend your arms to the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last 2, 9, and 10. Other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful. Hip rotation. Full big round, full big circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way around. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Keep your legs wider than your hip, arms to the side, push your hip back, keeping your back straight, reach down, right down to left toe, left to right. 1, 2, we'll do 10 of these, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, and 10. Awesome. Take support if you need to. We're going to do leg swings. Swing your leg forward and back. Make sure there's no arch in your back when you're swinging your leg. 3, 4, 5. Keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, ready. 3, 2, and 1. So one last torso rotation of our body. We will again rotate because we have rotation movement in the session. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, and 8. Go down on the mat, on your fours, knees directly under your hip, arms directly under your shoulders. Make sure your knees directly under your hip and your arms are directly under your shoulders. Pull your abs in. Inhale and extend your back. Exhale and push the floor out. 2, we are mobilizing the spine. Inhale and extend. Exhale and drop. 3, inhale it up. Exhale and drop. 4, inhale up. Exhale and drop. Last one. 5, inhale and up. Exhale and drop. Stay in the same position. From here, kick your leg out behind you and then take your knee to your elbow. Kick out, drive your knee to the elbow. Keep pulling your belly button in. 3, and come back. 4, and back. Last one. 5, and back. Change, other side, kick out, knee to elbow, kick out, very good. Knee to elbow, 3, 4, 5. From here, go down in child pose, extend your arms ahead, glutes over your heels, come into hyperextension, palms beside your chest. Lift your upper body up, squeeze your glutes, shoulders pulled back and down. Repeat, child pose, hyperextension. We are going to do 5 of these. Slowly, no slouching, no hanging on shoulders. Child pose, hyperextend, squeeze your glutes, pull your shoulders back and down. 2 more. Back. And hyperextend. One last time, back. Hyperextend and end it in a child pose. Wonderful. Take a mountain pose. Hip up. Try and press your chest towards the knee. Try and keep your heels on the mat. Lift your right heel up as you press the left one down. 1, keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep pulling your belly button in at the same time. 8, 2 more. 9, and 10. Awesome. Drop down to your knees. Come back up. We're done with the warm-up. We will start the main workout. Vaishnavi, any restriction in the movement? Just let me know, okay? I'll give you a modification. Great. So first movement, if you have dumbbells, feel free to take lightweight dumbbells, or you can take up to 5 kgs. One box squat we'll be doing and one rotational press. So it's gonna look like this. Suppose you're holding 2 dumbbells, or you can hold 1 dumbbell as well. You will be going down in a squat, come up, and rotational press means you're rotating and pressing your arms up. Again down and press up. Or if squat is difficult for you, use a chair. It's a better way. Just touch your glutes on the chair, come up, and then rotate and extend your arms. All right, let's go. Let's start. Squat down. 1, rotate right, rotate left, and again 2. Good. Full rotation. Extend your arms up, abs pulled in tight. Very good. 3. 4, squat, rotate, rotate. 5, squat, rotate, rotate. 6, squat, rotate, exhale as you come up, squeeze your glutes. 7, no need to hurry through. Very nice. 8, good. 9. Mayaji, you can take a bottle also. 10. Very nice. Next one is plank jacks. So we will be on the mat in a full plank position. So here make sure wrist, elbow, shoulder is one straight line. You're going to be in plank position, pull your abs in tight. No mountains, hip in line with your spine. And your legs are going to go up in a jack position. If you're not able to jump, tap your leg out. This is the modification for those who have any issues in jumping. Okay, let's get started then. Make sure your wrist, elbow and shoulder is in one straight line. Shanti ji, body weight थोड़ा आगे करिए, कैमरा में देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा. Wrist, you can please adjust your cameras. I can guide you better. Those who already know, continue. 12 counts. Let's go. Let's go. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, one straight line, and jack your legs out. 2. Yeah, I'm not counting. I think if you can. Malini, little hip down, please. No mountains. Pull your abs in tight. Done with 12 counts. Lie down on your back. Keep your palms under your glutes. Support your spine. Extend your legs out. Little over the floor, above the floor. And we're going to do scissors. Criss, cross. So criss and cross is 1 count. We're going to do 10 of these. Let's go. 1. Keep pulling your belly button in. 3. 4. Keep your knees tight. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Wonderful. Next movement is a sumo deadlift. So I've planned 1 functional, 1 cardio, and 1 core movement. We are doing a combination of 3. Next one, sumo deadlift. So again, hold weights in both your hands if you have, or single hand if it's very heavy. You can use heavy weights here. Feel free to do that. Legs will be wider than your hip. Knees out, toes out. From here, you're going to push yourself down, keeping your back straight. Your hip is going to go low, and make sure you're dividing the body weight between both the legs. And then you're going to come up. It's a sumo deadlift. You're lifting something from the ground and coming up. Functional movement. Let's go. Exhale, come up, squeeze your glutes. 5, 6, very good. Awesome. Go down, 7. Keep looking ahead, no looking down. 8. Feel it in your inner thighs or adductors. 9. Last one. 10. We are going to do less reps. Feel free to take as heavy weight as you have for your sumo deadlifts. Next one is jumping jacks. We are going to do 20 of these. Any issues with the leg? Feel free to tap and do this movement. Others can do this. Let's go. 20. Pull your abs in tight. And 3. Very good. 4, 5. Come on, Malini. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful. Once again, lie down on your back on the mat. We're going to do bicycle crunches, but very, very slowly. Keep your arms over your head, behind your head, knees up. You're going to extend your right leg as you rotate and get your right elbow to the left knee. And then other side. So only 10 counts, but we are going to do it slow. Okay? Follow my count. Get ready. Extend. Rotate. 1, 2. Left elbow to right knee. Right elbow to left knee is 3, 4, 5. Extend your legs fully. 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9 and 10. Awesome. Next one is standing toe touch. So you're going to stand in a staggered position. Your right leg back, left leg forward. Your left arm will be up. And you're going to, the movement starts from the hip. You're going to lift and reach your toe. So try not to slouch. Try to take your leg up. And as much as is your flexibility, you can take it higher. Try to keep it straight. Try to touch your toe and arms together. 10 counts. Let's go. Let's go. 2, 3. Keep your leg back. It will be easier for you to drive it ahead. 4. Surya staggered position. 5. Take your leg back. 6. Balance. Come back. 8, 9, 10. Awesome. Other side. 10 counts. 1, 2. Balance, balance. 3. Pull your abs in. No need to hurry. You can just take support and pause for a second. 6, 7, 8. Very good. 2 more. 9 and 10. Awesome. Next movement is your sprawls. We're going to do 9 movements, okay? Next one is sprawls. You're going to take your arms up, arms down, hop your legs back in a plank, hop ahead, jump up. If this is difficult, go down, single leg back, back, ahead, ahead, come back up. All right, only 6 of these. Get ready. Arms up, arms down, hop with your legs back, hop ahead, jump up. Good. Vaishnavi, very slowly, single leg movement for you, okay? 6 counts, no stopping before you complete 6. Try and reach in plank. Hip should be in line with your spine. Very nice. Keep exhaling through your mouth. Good, good. 6, come on, 6. All of you are doing great. Last movement. Those who haven't completed, please finish it. Others can watch me. Full plank position again. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one straight line. You're going to drive your right knee towards the left elbow. Come back. Left towards the right. Total 10 again. Follow my count. Pull your belly button in tight. And let's go. Right knee to left elbow. Go back. 2, left to right. No mountains. Look in the camera. 3. Your hip in line with your spine. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can relax in child pose. Break. This is your break. Come up, you can sip water, don't gulp, just a small 1 or 2 sip, and then we'll start the second round. "15 seconds of more break. We're giving a 30 seconds break. Get ready. Shanti ji, come on, get ready. Time's up. Let's go. Squat to rotational press. Take a dumbbell, or you can hold it in both the hands also. Squat down, rotate, rotate. Come on, come on. 2, down, rotate, rotate. If you feel the weight you are taking is very heavy, feel free to take a lighter weight, because rotation sometimes doesn't allow you for a heavier weight. Depends on body to body. 3, down. 4, use a chair if you feel squat is difficult. 5, touch your glutes, come up, rotate. 6, very good, keep going. Nice. 7, down, rotate, rotate. While squatting, your body weight has to be on your heels. 8, very good. 2 more. 9, awesome. Last one. 10. Try and keep your back straight. Keep looking ahead as you are squatting. Plank jacks is the next one. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one straight line. On the mat. Hip down. No mountain. Look in the camera. You will be able to understand if your hip is down or not. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, one straight line. 10 plank jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. You can tap. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Only 10 counts each variation we are doing. Next one is scissors. Turn around. Palms under your glutes. Lift your lower body up just above the floor. Support your spine by keeping your palms under the glutes and crisscross. Let's go. 1, criss and cross. 2, keep pulling your belly button in. Keep breathing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Wonderful. Next one is sumo deadlift. Take the heaviest dumbbells you have. Knees out, toes out. You can also take a cushion if you do not have anything, or a water bottle. Legs wide, knees out, toes out. Go down in the middle, keeping your back straight. Keep looking ahead. Down. Feel it in your inner thighs. Exhale, come up. You're not lifting the weight above, but there is no movement in the arms. You're just lifting the weight from the ground. Pull your shoulders back. 3, exhale, come up. Very good. 4, knees out, toes out. 5, awesome. 6, exhale as you come up, squeeze your glutes. 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Great. Next is jumping jacks, 2, 0, 20. Let's go. Let's go. 20 jumping jacks. Let's rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, rationally 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Keep exhaling through your mouth. Your heart rate will go up. Bicycle crunches is the next. Only 10 counts. Keep putting your belly button in. Arms you can keep over your ears. Extend your right leg just above the floor. 2. Alternate knee, alternate elbow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No shortcut. Next round. Full extension of legs I want. Good. Next one, toe touch. Stand in a staggered position. Right leg can be back, left leg in front. Left arm up, right arm on the waist. Lift, kick out, try and reach your toes. 2, 3, come back, balance if you are losing balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Surya, single leg we are doing. If you're comfortable with that, that's fine. Other side. 10, 9, come on, other side. 8, 7, exhale as you lift your leg up. 5, 4, exhale through your mouth. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Second last, sprawls or half burpee. Arms up, go down, up, hop, jump. Otherwise, single leg, same movement. 6 counts, no stopping before 6. Come on, Shanti ji, aap acha kar rahi hai. Let's go, no stopping. Come on. After we complete this round, 30 seconds break. No break in between. Try and take less breaks. Next one is cross mountain climbers. Come on, Sanjana, how many did you do? Maya ji, your video is gone. Oh, 6 done, very good. Cross mountain triangles, come on. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one straight line. Full plank position, hip down. Squeeze your glutes tight, abs pulling. Right knee to left elbow. 1, 2. It's in a cross. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and
Hello.
yes, Maya ji, you are not visible, but you are audible. Okay, last. Okay, done. Sip water again, 30 seconds break. Timer is on. So I think everybody is into fitness already. So I can plan upper body movements. I can plan some compound movements as well. So next session, I will add a little more. Get ready in 8 seconds. We're going to start. Squat to rotational press. Let's go. Squat. Down, back straight. Keep looking ahead. Rotate. 1. Very good. Side, side. 2. No need to rush through the movement. Aram se. 3. Surya, come on. 4. Rotate right, rotate left. 6. Keep your weights here when you are squatting. And then rotate. Good. Nice. So you can count 10 squats. Right rotation, left rotation. Extend your arms, pivot through your leg. Keep pulling your belly button in all the time. Wonderful. शांति जी ऐसे स्क्वाट करेंगे, फिर ऊपर आएंगे, फिर एक साइड रोटेशन, फिर दूसरे साइड रोटेशन. और नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं, आप एक स्क्वाट करिए, एक रोटेशन. All right, next one, plank jacks. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one straight line on the mat. Legs out in a jack position. Let's go. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, one straight line and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your hip down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Next one is scissors. Lie down on your back, support your spine, put your palms under your glutes, lift your legs off the floor, crisscross there. Lower, lower, keep it low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. Next one is your sumo deadlift. Knees out, toes out, legs wider than your hip. You're going to go down in the middle. Take your weights. Let's go. Down. 1. Make sure your knees are always out when you're going down. 2. Exhale. Come up. Squeeze your glutes. 3. Exhale up. 4. Very good. 5. 6. 7. 8. Keep looking ahead, no looking down. 9. Last one. 10. Awesome. 20 jumping jack. If you have lightweight dumbbells, you can also use those for jumping jacks, but don't take it out. The arms will be inside. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Bicycle crunches is the next one. Remember, full extension of legs, no short. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Extend your right leg, your right elbow to your left knee. And alternate. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Next one is your toe touch. Once you complete, come back. Up, up, up quickly. Right leg back, left leg forward. And lift up. Reach your toes. 2. Exhale as you reach. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. Maya ji, आपका video नहीं है, but it's okay. आप mute कर लीजिए and just follow them, or you can just follow my cues. And check. Change other side. If you are done 10, other side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Sprawls. 6 sprawls or half burpee. Arms up, arms down, legs back, and come back. Surya, are you okay? Everything okay with you? You're feeling pain? Then don't do the sprawls. I think, yes. Don't do the sprawls. You just do high knees then. Okay? You can do 15 high knees. Okay. All right, all right. Six sprawls. Come on, come on. शांति जी थोड़ा सा इंटेंसिटी बढ़ाइए. अगर आप सिर्फ जॉगिंग कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा रनिंग में चले जाइए. Good, good. Pull your abs in. After you are done 6, go into cross mountain climbers. Wrist, elbow, shoulder in one straight line. Hip down. Right knee to left elbow. Come back. Go slow. Let's start. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slowly, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. Well done. 3 rounds done. All okay with you? Okay, sip water. Now we will do some isometric holds. That means we're going to hold the position. There will be no movement. Okay. Sip water, take a break, walk around, wipe off your sweat, and then we are going to go on the mat. So there are three variations. We're going to do knee bent hollow hold, low plank hold, glute bridge hold, and again low plank hold. So low plank hold is twice. We're going to try and hold for 30 seconds. Okay. So as you are sipping water, I will show you which one we are doing first. So you will bend your knees, knee and hip in one straight line. You're going to come up from your shoulders. Try not to get your feet down. Try to keep it active up and reach till wherever you are comfortable. You can go till your heels or above that. You have to stay in this position. This is the first variation. Ready? Take your positions, everyone. Quickly. Lie down. Knees over your hip. And keep your feet up. And come up from your shoulders and reach ahead. Keep breathing. Stay in this position. Hold. Keep breathing. Hold. Keep pulling your belly button in at the same time. Very nice. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. No support. Don't take support of your knees. Try and hold it. Last 10 seconds. Hold, 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 hold. Relax. Turn around. Next one is low plank. So your elbow and shoulder will be in one line. And your hip will be down. Please, no mountains like this. Look in the camera. You will be able to understand if your hip is down or not. And we're going to start for 30 seconds. Let's go. Start. Keep breathing. Keep pulling your belly button in. Think of pushing the floor away. Very good. Awesome. Everybody is doing perfect. Come on, come on. Shanti ji, hold kariye. Hold, hold. 20 seconds done. Come on. Back, back, back. Last 5 seconds. Shanti ji, hold karna hai. Hold kariye. Wahan. Stop. Next one is glute bridge hold. So you will lie down on your back. Feet will be hip width apart. Arms beside your hip. You're going to push the floor away using your feet and arms. I don't want your arms to be dead. Keep it active. Okay, press the floor away. Lift your hip up. Squeeze your glutes up and stay there. All right, get ready. Legs will be hip width apart. Keep your feet firm on the mat, arms firm on the mat. Press the floor away and lift your hip up. Squeeze your glutes up. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Very good. Focus is on squeezing your glutes, pressing the floor. Keep breathing. You might feel after some time your glutes are little not squeezed. So again, back to squeezing. Up, up, Shanti ji, up. Hip up kariye, hold kariye wahan. Hold, 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 hold. Last 5 seconds. 3, 2, and down. Last one, low plank hold. Elbow and shoulder in one straight line. Elbow under your shoulders. Quickly, no break, no break. Come on. Fire your abs here. And up. Shanti ji, turn around. Low plank. Ready? Up. Vaishnavi, your elbow should not go out. It has to be in, okay? No flaring of elbows. Yes. Shanti ji, हम लोग low plank hold कर रहे हैं. Turn around करिए वापस. Elbow and shoulder in one line. Last 8, 5, 4, hip down, stay strong, 2, and relax in your child pose. Only 5 seconds, quickly turn around, bent knee, hollow hold for second round. Not giving much break here. I want you to fire your abs here, belly button. So lie down again, knees over your hip, feet up, come up from your shoulders and try and reach your heels. Stay there, keep breathing, keep pulling your belly button in. Let's go. Good. No hugging of knees. Try and hold it. Hold. Make sure you're not straining your neck. You're coming from your shoulders. You're coming up from your shoulders. Last 10 seconds only. Last 5, 3, 2, and relax. Turn around, low plank hold. Elbow, shoulder in one line. Elbow under your shoulders. Let's go. Up. Hip down. Keep breathing. Keep looking between your arms. Your neck should be neutral. Keep looking between your arms. Hip down. If you feel this is very, very difficult, you can widen your legs to get a good support. Otherwise, hip width apart is good enough. Vaishnavi, little hip down. Last 5 seconds. You're doing great. Don't drop and go down. Relax. Glute bridge. Lie down on your back. Feet hip width apart. Palms beside your hip. Keep it pressed to the ground. As you press the floor away, lift your hip up. Up. Squeeze your glutes. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Hip up, hip up. This exercise has a lot of benefits, especially for women. Halfway through. Up, squeeze your glutes. Don't let it drop. Last 10 seconds. Last 5, 3, 2, and relax. Last one, no plank hold. Turn around, elbow, shoulder, elbow under your shoulders. And up. Hip down, Maya ji, thoda hip down kar lijiye. Very good. Everyone is doing very good, Shanti ji. Good. Keep it up. Elbows closer to your body. Pull your belly button in. Squeeze your glutes tight. Think of pushing the floor away. Last 5 seconds only. 3, 2, relax. Child pose. Relax in child pose. One more round we will complete. This time 25 seconds. Okay. I know your abs are burning. Ready. Chalo, ready. Last round. Not much break here. Knee bent, hollow hold, lie down on your back. Knees up, feet up, and let's go. Come up from your shoulders. Come on, Vaishnavi. Come up. No, Vaishnavi, first one. Hollow hold. Knees bent, up, reaching up towards your heels. Yes. Hold. Come on, back. Mayaji, come on. Again. Reset if you feel not able to do last 3, 2, relax. No plank hold. I'm sorry, I said 25 seconds, 30 seconds were over. But good job, guys. Elbow and shoulder in one line. Elbow under your shoulders, low plank hold. Hip down and stay. Think of pushing the floor away. Perfect. Keep breathing, 15 seconds over. Last 5 seconds for 25. Keep breathing, 3, 2, 25 over. If you want, you can stay for 30 and 30 done. Great. Wonderful. Glute bridge hold. Lie down on your back. Palms beside your hip. Feet firm on the mat. And lift your hip up as you press the floor away. Up. Keep breathing. Squeeze your glutes tight. Keep breathing at the same time. Every time I keep saying keep breathing because few they forget to breathe at this time. Keep squeezing your glutes. Very nice. 20 seconds over. 25 over. Wow, great. And 30. Awesome. Even I said 25, but you guys are awesome. Last one. Low plank. I know, burning, Vaishnavi. All right, turn around. Chalo, chalo, last one. We're done. Low plank hold. Elbow under your shoulders. And up. Up, quickly. Very nice. Keep breathing. Think of pushing the floor away. Mayaji, little hip down. Keep looking between your arms. If you look down, your hip will go up automatically. 25 seconds over. Last 5. Those who are holding. 3. And relax. Child pose. Awesome. Well done, guys. Well done. Surya, I'm little getting worried about you because last 2 days also you were, you know what? I'm just hoping there is no injury. Just do these strengthening exercises. It will help. I've gone through the same.
Sometimes I'm getting, actually it gets here and then after, now I'm not feeling, but after the exercise I'll feel a little.
So
It's just
after
here.
exercise- Yes, ये सब है tennis elbow और golfer's elbow के conditions. So if you ignore it now, it will get worse. So you have to do the strengthening. Just twist inwards, outwards. ये वाले आपको करने हैं. 10 counts you can do. And then on the mat, I will show you once we do the stretches. I will show you in 1 minute. Okay.
Yeah.
And सब लोग sip water. We will do the stretches. Generally, in all my sessions, I keep finisher workouts, but I did not have any idea of the crowd. So next time, we will be having a finisher workout as well, which will challenge you, which will push you to give your more. Okay. Everyone was perfect. So I am relieved a bit. I will plan more workouts for you in the next session. As of now, we will start with the stretches. Take your right arm over your chest towards the left. With your left arm, press it towards your neck to the side. Hold, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Change. Other side. Left towards the right. Look to the side. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Interlock your fingers.
Not taking certificate, na?
Sorry?
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and extend your arms, round your back. Exhale and straighten your back as you take your arms to the side. One more time. Deep inhale and round. Exhale and straight. Quad stretch. Take support if you need to. Hold your toes. Pull your heels towards your glutes. Here, make sure you're squeezing your glutes tight. The more you squeeze your glutes, the more you will feel it in your quadriceps when you are holding your toes. Your thigh muscles. 2, 3, 4. Stay there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Other side. Vaishnavi, you will be able to do this one. Otherwise, I'll give you a different stretch. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Squeeze your glutes. 2 and 1. Legs hip width apart. Hamstring stretch. Take your arms up. Go down till your ankles. If you can, reach towards your toes. Good. Hold your toes if you can. Stay there. Feel a good stretch in your hamstrings or the back of your thighs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly come back. Interlock your fingers over your head. Legs will be a little wide, shoulder width apart. Drop down towards your right. Feel a good stretch in your obliques. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back. Drop to the other side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. On the mat, lie down on your back. Hug your knees and pull it towards your chest. Hug your knees nice and tight. Pull it towards your chest. Keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Same position. Take your arms shoulder level. Drop both your knees to your left. Look to your right. Keep pressing your knees with your left arm towards the ground. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to the center. Drop both your knees to your right. Look to your left. Keep pressing your knees with your right arm towards the ground. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly come back to the center. Hold your right knee, pull it towards your chest. Extend your left leg fully on the ground. So your right knee is towards your chest, left leg fully extended. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Change. Extend your right leg fully on the mat, left knee towards your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Feet together. Hold your toes. Knees will be out. Try and pull it towards yourself, towards your groin. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop down. Keep your legs folded. Right knee, right ankle over your left knee. Figure 4. Now with your right arm, take your arm inside, left arm outside. Pull your leg towards your chest. Feel a good stretch in your right glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop down. Left ankle over your right knee and left arm inside between your legs. Right arm outside. Pull your right knee towards your chest. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Drop down, turn to your side, turn around. Child pose, flip over your glutes, extend your arms ahead as much as you can. Then take your forehead off the ground. Stable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stay in the same position. Take your right arm to the right side, left on top of right. Go down. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to the center. Left arm to the left side, right on top of left. Feel a good stretch in your obliques again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Come back to the center. Hyperextension. Lie down, palms beside your chest. Inhale and lift up. If you cannot go up, be on your elbows. Squeeze your glutes. Pull your shoulders back and down. Keep breathing. Keep looking ahead. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and come into the mountain pose. Feet together. Chest, try and take your chest to the knees. If you can keep your heels down, stay there. If you cannot keep your heels down, bend your knees a bit and then keep your heels down. Feel a good stretch in your calves. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Slowly drop down to your knees. Come in the seated position, butterfly stretch, feet together. Hold your toes, keeping your back absolutely straight, shoulders pulled back and down. Flutter your knees. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go down till where you are comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come up. Extend your legs little ahead in a diamond. Feet are still together. Hold your toes, and with your arms try and press your legs down as you take your chest towards the heel. Try and not round your back. Try to take your chest to the toes and keep pressing your legs down, using your arms, holding your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Stay in the same position. Just extend your legs a little more ahead. Knees will be bent. Take your arms inside. Reach ahead. Try to reach as far as you can. Then hold your legs. Feel a good stretch in your lower back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last stretch. Extend your legs. Back straight, shoulders back and down. Take your arms up. Reach your toes. Think of taking your chin to the toe. Keep your knees soft locked. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax. All right. For elbow pain, you have to strengthen by twisting to the side slowly, outside, inside. And then you have to keep your palms on the floor. So your fingers pointing ahead. You will give little pressure, pushing your body little ahead. So it will be on your wrist and then back. So you will be going to and fro slowly. No need to hurry. I'm still fast. You will have to be little slow, okay? And then you will turn your palms, fingers pointing to the side, and then you will give pressure to the right side. Slow, gentle pressure, left side. So this way again, and then again you will turn your palms and fingers will be pointing towards you. So first out, then side, then inside. All 3 sides, you will be again putting pressure, gentle pressure, push it towards you, against you. This rocking position, very, very slowly you will be doing this. All 3, and then it's this. So your palms are up, fingers, both arms, fingers pointing towards each other. And then again you will press your wrist down, and again you will slide side to side. You will stay in the middle and do the same, hold it. This will help you to strengthen all the wrist extensors and flexors, and this will help you in case I'm hoping there is nothing wrong. And you can do cold compress, Surya. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for joining. All have a great day ahead, and you all were awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Cold compress करिए, ignore मत करिए, और थोड़े दिन के लिए weights मत lift करिए.
Okay.
I know it's difficult. I have gone through the same. Maybe you must have lifted something little heavy. और थोड़ा गलत हुआ होगा उस वक्त,
गलत मूवमेंट हो गया होगा. I think there must have been some.
अननोइंगली हो जाता है बहुत बार. मेरे साथ खुद ही हुआ है 6 months back. But it takes little time, but you have to do all these regularly.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
करके
Thank
करिए.
you. Thank
हाँ,
you.
मैं करती
Thank
हूँ.
you.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you again.
See you.